What's up, man?
Relay, I'm overlapping relay. I double back and replay. It's not a game, no EA. I'm global trapping eBay. I make it look so easy. You'll never touch a cement. I double profits each way. Relay.
Alright guys, so the day has finally come. I finally got my exhaust. As you guys know from my last video, I put on the Harley Big Sucker. I was leaving it to a reveal so you guys could see exactly what I was going to get today. I'm not even going to lie, I was going to go with another exhaust, but the exhausts were on back order and I am very impatient. I've been waiting for this exhaust for a long time. So it finally arrived today and here's what I decided to go with. Alright, so it doesn't look like much right now, but so I decided to actually go with the Two Brothers Comp-S 2-in-1. I honestly decided to go with the raw steel because I like how the exhaust starts to change color. It kind of gets a blue tint and a golden hue from where the exhaust actually connects to the engine. After running for a while, it starts to change the color of the pipes and I think it looks really dope. I like that the Two Brothers, they kind of put their emblem on here and they actually weld it on, and then the back tip to this pipe is actually carbon fiber. But enough talking about this. I've been waiting for it for a long time, so we're gonna go straight to the install.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So I just made this a lot harder than it had to be. Just started untwisting stuff. Make it easy on yourself. And first, you're gonna actually have to use a flathead, take off the heat shields, which will give you access to these flanges. The flanges are gonna be halves. So once you undo the flanges, the actual exhaust is ready to come out, but you cannot pull it out until you unmount it from the bracket that comes on the Sportster. There's actually ooh, do not forget about those. I forgot mine has O2 sensors on it. 9/16. So the O2 sensors on my Sportster are a you can use a 9/16 wrench to get it off. Boom. O2 sensor out.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
mistakes. So I took this bracket off. You actually need this for the 2019 model, I'm sure, and up. The video that I watched, I should have looked at the year on the actual Sportster, because they are way different with the pipes that you get now. So my fault for not paying attention, but you guys won't make the same mistake. If you are watching this video, you'll learn from mine. So I am taking this hardware out again, and I'm going to be reinstalling this bracket right here, because I was wondering why this mounting bracket doesn't make sense, but it actually goes like this for my pipes to mount on. So I need this. You work at Lowe's, bro?
Yeah, earlier.
Yeah, what's going on, boss? It's fucking crazy. What's up, bro? Yeah, so I was buying a torque wrench, and the cheapest ones at Lowe's were like 79 bucks. And that dude, like, I love people like that, man. Like, just because you work at a store doesn't mean that you have to guide people towards things at your store. Granted, you know, I know it comes with the job, but he told me, he was like, man, honestly, I would go to Harbor Freight, and he pointed me towards a torque wrench that was 20 bucks. Exactly what I needed, and it wasn't an arm and a leg. So big shout out to that guy. Don't know his name, but great customer service, dude. Appreciate you. All right, man, so I just about shipped myself. I don't know if you guys can see it, but these have adapters on them for the new pipes. When I was trying to put the actual headers on, I noticed that one, the O2 sensor went right into the pipe. So there's actually adapters as hardware in the package. So make sure that you add these on so that you'll have a good fit with your actual pipes.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.